Usually, we follow some rules while drawing electric field lines for the charges. In this video, we are going to see the rules for the electric field lines. The number of electric field lines are directly proportional to the magnitude of the charges. The magnitude of the charge is large, then more number of electric field lines are produced. The electric field vector, for example, let us consider a point P on this electric field line. Here, the electric field vector is tangential to the electric field line at that point. For an isolated positive charge, electric field line starts at this positive charge and ends at infinity. If there is a negative charge adjacent to this positive charge like this, electric field line starts from this positive charge and ends at a negative charge. For a positive point charge, the electric field lines point radially outward. For an isolated negative charge, electric field line starts at infinity and ends at this negative charge. For a negative point charge, the electric field lines point radially inward. Electric field lines are denser where the magnitude of the electric field has larger value. Electric field lines are less denser where the magnitude of the electric field has lower value. Therefore, magnitude of the electric field is directly proportional to 1 by r square, where r is the radius of the radial electric field. Comparing these two areas, here the magnitude of electric field is high because the number of electric field lines perpendicular to this area is high compared to this area. Therefore, the number of lines passing through a given surface area perpendicular to the lines is proportional to the magnitude of the electric field in that region. No two electric field lines intersect each other. If two electric field lines are intersect each other, what happens? Let us consider the intersection of these two electric field lines. If we keep a point charge at the intersection of this point charge will have two electric field direction. But it is not possible because for a unit charge it should have a single electric field direction so that no two electric field lines are intersect each other.